Did you know that there is a spider named Sparkle Muffin? Measuring no more than half a centimeter, this vibrant critter performs jaw-dropping dances to charm its mate. But what secrets could nature still be hiding in this dazzling group? Discover their mysterious moves and wild beauty now. The saga of the Sparkle Muffin peacock spider, or Maratus jactatus, is a mesmerizing tale of nature's flamboyance juxtaposed against the silent complexity of ecological systems. Emerging amidst the rich biodiversity of Queensland's Wandle Range National Park, this diminutive arachnid, measuring scarcely half a centimeter, challenges conventional notions of both beauty and survival. Discovered in the year 2015 by graduate researcher Madeline Girard, its moniker alone, Sparkle Muffin, evokes a vivid commentary on humanity's whimsical interaction with the natural world. Yet, within its glittering narrative lies both a celebration of individuality and an inquiry into the broader ecosystemic implications of such phenomena. As Otto Jurgen, esteemed entomologist and chronicler of the peacock spider genus, aptly stated, "We may have just scratched the surface of this most exciting group of spiders." His observation reveals a paradox, an abundance of discoveries matched only by the vast unknowns that remain. In fact, this narrative abounds with contrasts: the dazzling iridescence of the male Sparkle Muffin's red and blue costume against the muted, brown-gray tones of its female counterpart, the rhythmic flamboyance of its courtship dance juxtaposed against the quiet, stealthy act of predation, and humanity's detailed documentation contrasted with nature's infinite room for surprises. The Sparkle Muffin's complex mating ritual embodies an evolutionary spectacle. Males engage in elaborate sequences, unfurling an abdominal flap adorned with reflective scales and conducting an intricate dance wherein vibrations, transmitted through the earth, capture the attention of potential mates. This sequence echoes a historical parallel: Darwin's 19th century studies on sexual selection, wherein peacocks and their extravagant displays served as living metaphors for the self-reinforcing evolution of aesthetic traits. Paradoxically, however, these astonishing manifestations of biodiversity provoke reflective questions. Is this intricate theater of survival merely a fleeting chapter in an endangered ecosystem? How do we reconcile the allure of such discoveries with the concurrent march of global habitat destruction? One expert observed how this may indeed speak volumes about the hidden tapestry of life on Earth. Some species, like the Sparkle Muffin, possess intricate dynamics that humans are only beginning to decode. What we see in their dazzling displays, Otto mused, is a direct parallel to the colorful evolution of human artistry and storytelling. Yet, beneath this apparent aesthetic lies a more systemic concern. As researchers flock to uncover new species, much of their natural habitat, fragile Australian ecosystems, faces silent erosion. Who might truly benefit from this extraction of beauty? Are these marvels preserved for collective enrichment or subtly appropriated for profit-driven motives by elite forces who commodify nature through media, tourism, and ecological narratives? In the liberal progressive lens, the Sparkle Muffin spider reminds us to advocate for systems that respect nature's intrinsic value rather than exploit its visual appeal. A future shaped by equity and ecological reverence demands policy shifts that go beyond the surface fascination and address lasting conservation. To protect creatures like Maratus jactatus, we must enact laws that shield habitats from exploitation and view biodiversity as an interconnected global treasure rather than compartmentalized spectacle. Ultimately, Otto's hopeful statement, that much remains undiscovered, invites optimism. Yet, this optimism must extend beyond mere acknowledgement. Will humanity rise to honor the uniqueness of species like the Sparkle Muffin, embracing them as living symbols of wonder rather than trophies for fleeting admiration? The road ahead necessitates a unified narrative that holds nature in reverence, not just for its aesthetic splendor but for the lasting lessons it teaches about survival, resilience, and interconnected existence. In my view, The discovery of the sparkle-muffin peacock spider is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can inspire and challenge our preconceptions about the natural world. The vibrant colors and elaborate courtship dances of male spiders underscore the inherent beauty and complexity of biodiversity, much of which remains hidden from mainstream awareness. However, it is striking that such discoveries rely disproportionately on passionate individuals or underfunded research programs, often sidelined by elite-driven priorities that favor profit over ecological preservation. As we marvel at nature's artistry, we must ask, how long will marginalized ecosystems survive in a world dominated by extractive practices and short-term gains? Suscribit y de like para mantener informado.